curb fine from 2 years ago. I upgraded with a bigger Troybilt self-propelled off the curb. About 2.5. Right before Christmas, I found that somebody threw it out. I guess somebody upgraded somebody with a new one. I said, I'll take it. The 2 inner bolts for the carburetor right here are, let me get you down on this. I got you stand up. Get you down on my level right here. You know, working this old GoPro. I'm not too fancy with it, but there's 2 bolts back in there, 10 millimeters. I cleaned this carburetor a couple weeks ago, but I'd rather just replace it with a new one. The parts are so cheap. I'll hang on to these other parts, like save the bowl, stuff like that. Let me go ahead and get this fuel line. Off of there. Just like the other lawnmower, won't take but a second. It's a couple 10 millimeter bolts. Got a little clip for the carburetor. We'll just repeat the same process with the new one. Just like that. We'll take off the old fuel line, put the new one on. Line the bolts back up. Out with the old, in with the new. Should come hang out with me more often on the channel. Like I said, never know what I drag home. These are finna go on Marketplace. I don't need 3 push mowers. Well, 2 self-propels and a rider. I don't know, the cameras and me, you know, not really my thing, but you know, we're gonna set it up, get it going. Out with the old, and with the new. Back to the 8 millimeters. Three little old 8 millimeters. We don't got no dramatic music in the background. We just got good old JB on the scene, keeping it simple and clean. This one's a self manual priming. The other one was an auto. Uh-oh. See? I moved so fast. Forgot the gasket. That's okay. I'll put it on there. Just hang in there with me. These videos won't have to be long until I get to messing with okay. Gasket lines up. There's 2 holes, 2 little pinholes, 3 little pinholes. Make sure you line them up. So when the primer, there's a tube and goes under here, it vacuums gas into there to your port. Make sure your gasket's sealed on there properly, or it won't vacuum pump. Learned that the hard way several times. But hey, nobody taught me how to do this. JB started dragging them off the curb. You don't gotta pay nobody to learn how to fix things. YouTube videos are the answer to just getting ideas. Not really much to teach that most people don't already know how to do. They just have no motivation. Somebody right now is on their phone scrolling some TikTok videos, watching people laugh, dance, have fun, have a good old time. Old JB's over here trying to make money off of free stuff. Money. This is an Amazon carburetor. They're 50-50. Don't let the bad reviews deter you from trying. Get out. All things on Amazon aren't bad.